Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update vsftpd or ProFTPD for secure FTP access. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a backup of your current FTP configuration files. Connect to your server using SSH. Check your current version of vsftpd or ProFTPD with the command. For vsftpd, use vsftpd version. For ProFTPD, use ProFTPD. Update your package list by running sudo apt update. To upgrade vsftpd, execute the command sudo apt install vsftpd. For ProFTPD, use the command sudo apt install ProFTPD. After the installation is complete, verify the new version again. Restart the FTP service to apply changes. For vsftpd, use sudo systemctl restart vsftpd. For ProFTPD, use sudo systemctl restart ProFTPD. Next, open the configuration file for editing. For vsftpd, the file is located at /etc/vsftpd.conf. For ProFTPD, find it at /etc/profp/profp.conf. Make sure to enable secure connections in your configuration. For vsftpd, set SSL_enable equals yes. For ProFTPD, include the line TLS engine on. Configure the paths for SSL certificates in the appropriate section. For vsftpd, you will add RSA_cert_file equals /etc/SSL/cert/your_cert.pem. For ProFTPD, specify TLS RSA certificate file /etc/SSL/cert/your_cert.pem and TL. Save your changes and exit the editor. Test your FTP connection with a secure FTP client. Make sure to connect using the secure FTP protocol, usually FTPS or SFTP. Verify that you can log in without issues. Lastly, monitor your FTP logs for any authentication or connection errors. This concludes the update process for secure FTP access using vsftpd or ProFTPD. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.